Hey guys, I'm not a native English speaker, but today I'll share how I actually learned English, what worked, what didn't, and what I wish I knew earlier. So I'm Jituko 905 and actually speak 5 languages. My mother tongue, French, English, Chinese, and German. And my main touch is nicht so good. Okay, let's get into it. So I started learning English because I wanted to improve my opportunities in life, and also I was also looking for scholarships. And as I'm also working in the engineering field, learning English will be really amazing and will be a great tool for me. As you know, almost every machine has like some instruction in English. So I think that it will be very amazing and helpful for me to learn that language. That's why I started learning English. At that time, the most difficult things for me to do was to express myself in the language. I wanted to speak this language, but I couldn't because I was more focused on vocabularies and grammar. Then I discovered a method that really helped me, and with this method, I was able to start expressing myself correctly in this language, and it was really helpful for me. So if you are actually learning English, I'm sure that maybe you've already heard of that. It's shadowing. I use this method to actually express myself, and that's how I was able to pull that off. I was able to starting expressing myself in English. So when I was learning English, I didn't have any native speaker around. I was learning on my own. I was practicing by using the shadowing method. So if you want to learn English and don't have any native speaker around, don't have anyone to speak with, I mean, you can use the shadowing method just like me to improve yourself. And it's even faster if you know the right way to do it. Because I actually think that shadowing is the fastest way to learn any language, but it's actually boring. Yeah. So to make things even more exciting, I started using some motivational video like those from Andrew Tate or Denzel Washington to keep practicing my speaking using the shadowing method. Even if the shadowing method might probably be the best method out there to learn any language effectively on your own, it also has a downside. That is its boring aspect. It's really boring, and if you wanna keep working on that, keep using this method to learn any language on your own, I think that the best way to do it is to use some motivational video to practice. So when I was learning English, I made a huge mistake that might be critical for you if you're also doing the same mistake, and it was only focused on vocabularies and grammar. If you want to learn vocabularies, if you want to learn grammar, yeah, it's okay, you can do it, but don't forget about practicing your speaking, because this is the most important thing when you're learning any language. You have to practice your speaking. Express yourself every day if it is possible. This is the most important things while learning any language. Grammar rule and vocabulary just will help you to get used, not get used, but to be aware of what you are doing. But only speaking will help you to get used to what you want to do, to get used to the language. That's it. So, from my whole experience, what I would give you as advice today, if you are actually learning English, would be to focus on speaking and use the shadowing method if you have no one around you to speak English with. But if you have people around you, just go out and speak with them. It's really important. Expressing yourself, even if you're making a lot of mistakes, is the right method to learn any language. You have to speak from day one, even if you don't know anything. People tell you that and you might say, but how can I do it? How can I speak from day one if I don't know anything? But it's possible. You just have to use the right method and the right resources to do it. There are tools out there like Pimsleur or some, podcasts, even YouTube videos that can help you to start speaking from day one. You just have to make your research, go out and look for those resources if you're looking for a way to start speaking from day one, because this is the right way to do it. This is the right way to speak any language. I did it and it worked perfectly. So why not you? That's my journey of learning English. And if you're learning too, tell me in the comment how you practice. I'd love to know. So if you're actually looking for a way to learn any language in 30 days, it feels illegal, just check my video right here. Okay, I see you in the next one.